This is us before watching Final Destination. Let's
So
go.
excited.
That's Ate Abby, Kuya Mon, us, and sila Ate Mitch. Ayan, kuya niya yan, guys. Follow nyo. Para hindi na maalis mamaya. May batang pulubi, guys. May pulubi. Hingi na siya kasi malaki-laki na bagaso siya sa ticket.
للسيادات والسندان اليوم بمجال كيكم الشاطئ
Nag-CR muna kami.
Yes.
Kasi nag-CR sa Ate Mitch. So we're waiting for her. Ano kaya? Yeah. 4 minutes. Let's run. Let's run. Go! What I'm afraid. Oh my God. Ganito yung right. Ganito yung feeling. Ganito yung feeling. Ganito yung feeling na nakakatakot. Gantong-ganto.
Pero nakaka-trauma guys, talaga. Sobra. So, nakaka-stress.
This is, okay, one. Sabay-sabay. One.
Ulitin dapat.
At may pen. 1, 2, 3, go. This is us after my Take 2. Parang sila balutan. Worth it naman, no?
Yeah.
The piso is the best. No. Lesson learned, huwag kayong pupulat ng kung ano-ano kahit anong penny, lalo sa bata, huwag kayong sa bata, mapatanda man yan ha. Guys, pauwi na kami. Time check, 11:22. Oh my God, this is us guys. Ayun sila Ate Mitch.
Guys, may fog.